Hello friends and welcome back to Pony Plays Card Games. I'm your pony and today I've got a bit of a personal mystery. I'm going to be unboxing the My Little Pony Year of the Dragon New Year's box, which I actually don't properly know what comes in it. It is one of their premium style boxes, but it's actually massive. Like, way bigger than I was expecting when I bought it, because I've gotten things like the Stardust box, which you can see is tiny comparatively. And so I'm fascinated to see what exactly comes inside this box. And I haven't looked at any unboxing videos. I have not even translated the pull rates on the back here to find out what you get at what ratios. So I'll probably do that at a later stage. But I'm just gonna enjoy opening this and being surprised by what's in it. And I hope you will enjoy joining me for unboxing this little mystery. So let's get into it. But the reason that I got this is that it's the Year of the Dragon. I think it was Year of the Wood Dragon was when this was released, and I also happen to be Year of the Dragon, so I just couldn't not go for it and see what I got inside. There we go. It's a lovely box too. Is it? Yeah, it's a book latch box. Ooh. There we go. So we got like some, I'll turn on, I'm currently on my ring light stand, so I'll get some extra, there we go, some light from that. Happy New Year. And those look almost like pins. They're glittery too. And some boosters there as well. Does this come out? Okay, so it sits up at an angle. And it's got that front bar. So there we go. That's how it sort of displays. It can sit at this display angle. That's pretty cool. So here we go. We've got, they're pins. Little badges. And they are glittery. That's cool. I'll be able to add those to my pin collection. I don't actually personally wear pins, but there are so many cute ones that I just can't help myself buying them. Oh, those are sweet. Alright, so there's those two. And there's actually a pull tab there, so there may be more hidden underneath. We've got two of these red boosters. And this one blue booster. That's the foam pad. Okay, it does look like there's more underneath. Okay, so we'll do the boosters first, and then we'll pull this up and see what's hiding in there for us. Ooh, okay. Red boosters first. Let's grab some scissors. Here we go. Ooh. It's a comic cover art. So this one's Applejack. There we go. This is Applejack just there. Dancing to the music Pond 3's playing. There's a cute little chibi like shaped card. It looks like a hanger, but there's no actual hanger, so that is a collectible card of its own. Looking sharp. Honesty Applejack Pony Magazine Press Volume 2. That's cool. And then we've got Sweet Moment Fluttershy. So it's a picture of fireworks. And they've actually got the camera as the back. Then there's Rainbow Dash and Pinkie Pie in the full firework style too. Right. The firework faces are really nicely textured. Yeah. Alright, so that was pack 1. Let's see if pack 2 is the same sort of stuff. There we go, so that one is another of the comic covers. So it's a Rainbow Dash dancing with Tank and Apple Bloom being carried off by balloons. Ooh, I got another of the comic cover ones. So another Pony magazine back to it. Fearless Friend, Loyalty, Rainbow Dash. And there is Rarity dancing with a very unimpressed Opal who just got kicked in the head, it looks like. Princess Luna in the background with Scootaloo. Oh, my light is flickering. There we go. Stabilize. Hang on, I'll stabilize that light a little. Okay, I just paused the recording and got the light to stop flickering. The power socket was a bit loose. There we go. So Rarity dancing and fashion is my passion. Rarity, generosity. Then we got another one of the Rainbow Dash little hanger style cards. And we got a Twilight Sparkle of the Sweet Moment fireworks cards. And an Applejack. So that means that the only one we didn't get in those fireworks style ones is Rarity. If this light won't stop flickering, I might have to just turn it off. There we go, that'll be fine. Plenty of light in here anyway. And then this one, the blue pack. Let's see what is in you. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. That is very nice. So it's a Hot Springs style card. Very plump in texture. Nice thick card. That's a cool back. It's lovely. All the glittering foil around the edges. Lots of bold texturing. That cherry blossom tree is really pronounced there. I like that a lot. Right, and then we're going to set these aside for a second and see what is underneath this. Ooh! Wow! That is huge. Is that a standee? That looks like a standee that you assemble. That's cute. And Rarity, generosity. Okay, we'll see what's inside these. So there is plenty hidden in this box. So let's have a go at assembling this. Is it something that you... Yeah, it looks... So it's got like a sheet at the back that everything's kind of stuck onto. So I'm imagining that I can peel these off of that sheet, maybe? Yeah. Yes. Okay, that's how that works. They're all stuck to that back sheet, so you would peel them off to be able to assemble it. That's pretty clever. It keeps it in a very nice, neat display style. Okay, I don't know if those are part of it, so we'll leave them for a second. Alright, so here we go. We would have... That would probably be the bottom, because it was at the bottom, I'm imagining. And these would be something that would go in here. Okay, so it looks like they go at an in-facing angle. I guess so this one was on that side, so I'll put it on that side. Do that one to that side, this one to this side, and this is the roof part, and fit Pinkie Pie in there. It may be a spinner, because Pinkie Pie does not look super stably like she's gonna fit in and lock in because of these side bits, but she looks like she can spin around. Yeah, and then this goes on top in there. There we go. Then you'd be able to spin her around. That stands up pretty well. That is cool. That's going to make for a nice display. So there you go. There's Pinkie Pie with all the presents around. It's even got her cutie mark up there on the sign. And that would be what you have left after you've taken all of that out. And then you have this, which we'll see what is inside of this. It looks to be, is it a bunch of envelopes? Rarity and Applejack. Let's get this to focus in a bit. Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie, Twilight Sparkle, and Fluttershy. And there is currently nothing inside the envelope, so it is a selection of empty envelopes. It does appear, and they all feel to be the same emptiness level. Alright, that's cool though. You get some envelopes to store stuff in. I do believe that is all the hidden Heidi stuff that we got. So that was a decent amount of stuff to get from that box for sure. So as a recap, we got 3 boosters, which one of them had this extra thick Hot Springs card in there, and the other 2 had a selection of fireworks cards, these cute little chibi hanging style cards that don't actually have a hanger, but they look like they should, and these comic cover cards from some of the earlier Friendship is Magic novels with a magazine style back. We got the envelopes hidden down in the base there. We got the pins. Yeah, there we go, focusing in on those. And we got this spinner standee. And it is a very fascinating colour and reflectiveness on the back. It's an interesting material print. I like it though. Like, it's cool to look at. And yeah, a wicked box. So, thank you for... Whoa, bumped the camera there. Thank you for joining me to unbox this mystery to me, which is now a mystery no more. We know what sort of stuff comes within these. I hope you enjoyed unboxing what treasures we found. I will see you all later. If you're enjoying these unboxings, then you can subscribe to see some more. I've been getting into seeing all the different collectible cards, ranges, and even some of the little side products that they've been releasing as well. It's been cool, and I've been amassing an awesome collection of pony merch. So I will definitely do some more, and I hope you join me for that. Until next time, have fun.